Hi, dear English aspirants. Good afternoon. Till now, in our previous videos, we discussed fundamentals, some fundamentals, basics in English. To learn competitive English, these are needed. So, in previous 1, 2, 3, 4 videos, chiefly 3 and 4 videos, we discussed, say, parts of speech, kinds of nouns, and then kinds of sentences, subject and predicate, and verb, more about the verb. In verb, we discussed, say, strong and weak verbs, and then auxiliary verbs and main verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs also we discussed. These are all needful. These are all, say, needed while discussing grammar topics. That's why first we taught you these fundamentals. Today we start articles. It's a small topic, but say there are some deep areas also in this topic. Generally, schools and colleges for academic purpose, they teach them very lightly. Whereas for competitive purpose, we have to go deep into this topic. So there are some difficult areas. There are some difficult areas. We have to touch them also. Generally, most of the people, those points may not know, but we discuss here because we discuss this competitive English for competitive purpose, this grammar for competitive purpose, and deep areas. Okay, so you will know after discussing the topic. Now, what you need for discussing articles? Actually, articles belongs to which part of speech? Articles belong to adjective part of speech. In adjectives also, distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives. There are different kinds of adjectives. Ordinal adjectives, cardinal adjectives, distributive adjectives. Like this, there are some kinds of adjectives. So here these belong to, say, distributive adjectives. See, these articles separately we discuss because they have different, say, uses. In different areas we use. That's why we separately discuss articles. Articles. What are the articles? A and the. Everybody knows. These belong to which part of speech? Which part of speech? Adjective part of speech. In adjectives also distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives. Okay? So here, see, you know very well, a and an, indefinite article, the definite article, that everybody knows. All school and college students say every person, every student who prepares for competitive examinations, they feel that it's a simple topic, but there are some difficulties. Those difficulties won't be discussed generally for the academic purpose. Whereas for this competitive purpose, we have to go deep into those topics that we discuss. See, what you need to learn fully, to learn articles fully, what you need? We need noun, adjective, adverb, kinds of nouns, vowels and consonant sounds. Vowels and consonant sounds. In vowels, what are the vowels that give consonant sounds? See, in consonants, which consonant gives us vowel sound? You should know. Then only, say, you can easily learn articles. So now let us start here, say, with the vowels and consonant sounds. You know, vowels are 5, say, A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Vowels are 5, but vowels, simply I will tell you, A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels, but 20 vowel sounds are there. See, consonants, all remaining alphabet are known as consonants. See, these are 20 consonants. See, but 24 sounds are there, 21 consonants, 26 letters, and 44 sounds. 26 letters, 44 sounds. See, in English, letters are few, sounds are more. Whereas in Telugu, only, say, each letter gives one sound. From A to Ammaha, Ka to Kshara. See, each letter has only one sound. Whereas English, that's not the case. In English, say, each vowel sound gives different sounds. Different sounds. How? See here, I will show you. Say, for example, arm is there. Here, A gives A sound. Say, air is there. Here it gives A sound. Say, apple is there. Here it gives A sound. A is not found in our Telugu alphabet. A, apple, apple, as, ant. In English, A is also vowel sound. Like this, see, A gives different sounds. Similarly, E also. See here, engineer. Here it gives E sound. Say, elephant. Here it gives A sound. European. European. Here it gives U sound. U is not the vowel sound. U is not vowel sound. It's a consonant sound. Listen carefully. Say, dear students, listen carefully. U, we find this U in, say, consonants. Consonant sound in Telugu. See here. So here E vowel gives us consonant sound. Similarly, I also has different sounds. In king, it has E sound. In kind, it has I sound. And then O. Here O, orange. Here it gives A sound. 1 rupee. Here it gives Wa, Wa. Wa is not the vowel sound. Wa. Wa is not the vowel sound. It's a consonant sound. So, here, Wa. Similarly, umbrella, U vowel. Here it gives A sound. And then, say, putte. Here it gives U sound. Whereas, union leader, this U gives U sound. This is consonant sound. Now, listen. Here, what are the vowels that give consonant sound generally? Say here, E vowel, as in European, O vowel, as in 1 rupee note, and U vowel, as in union leader, university student. Here, these are the vowels that give consonant sounds. Consonant sounds. You remember, U vowel, O vowel, and say this E vowel. These give sometimes consonant sounds. Remember, while inserting correct article, you should remember these things. And then, see in consonants, H consonant. In consonants, H consonant becomes silent and it gives, say, A sound, avar. It gives A sound. Honest man. It gives A sound. See, here like this, say, in consonants, H consonant gives us vowel sound. In vowels, E vowel, O vowel, U vowel sometimes give us consonant, say, here consonant sounds, as we discussed here. You remember these things. We need, while choosing indefinite article, we need vowels and consonant sounds. Indefinite article depends on vowels and consonant sounds. That's why you should know what are the vowel sounds, what are the vowels that give consonant sound, what is the consonant that gives vowel sound? You remember? This is about the vowel sound. Other things. Say noun you need, kinds of nouns you need, adjective you need, adverb and kinds of nouns. These things you need to discuss other points. To discuss, say, definite article the. Okay, clear? So, this is about the needful things for discussing articles. Okay, now let us say, go for indefinite articles, definite article, A and B. So, say A an indefinite article, B definite article. Why? Why are they called? Why are they called, say, definite and indefinite? Let us see now. Here, let us see, say, why are they called definite and indefinite article? If you observe these examples which I write here, you can understand. Say very simply, first of all, you should know the difference between indefinite and definite. Indefinite and definite. If you don't know this difference, you cannot insert the correct, say, articles, voice. Remember? See here, say, examples, you observe these examples, by that you can understand. Call a boy. Say, call the boy, waiting at the gate. See, and then, I bought a book. I lost the book that I bought yesterday. You observe these sentences, dear students. You please observe these sentences. Call a boy. Here A is used before boy, noun. And call the boy waiting at the gate. Here, see, the is used. I bought a book. Here, book, before book we used A. I lost the book that I bought yesterday. What is the difference between definite and indefinite? A and an are called indefinite articles. The is called definite article. You have to know first this difference. Call a boy, indefinite context. Two only articles, definite, indefinite. Call a boy, indefinite article. Call the boy waiting at the gate. Here, this is definite article. Why? Here, which boy we are calling? We are not referring. Call a boy, somebody, you call somebody, indefinite. We are not referring to a particular boy. So, this is indefinite context. Here, call the boy waiting at the gate. You call the particular boy who is waiting at the gate. So, here definitely we are referring to that boy who is waiting at the gate. Have you understood? See the difference. So, here boy is referred. Say particular boy, that particular boy who is waiting at the gate. So, this is known as definite. This is the difference between definite and definite. Similarly, I bought a book. Which book you bought? You are not referring. Here, I lost the book that I bought yesterday. నిన్న కొన్న ఆ పుస్తకం పోయింది. ఫలానా పుస్తకం అని చెప్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ వరకునే ఒక అబ్బాయిని పిలువ అంటున్నాం. ఇక్కడ గేట్ దగ్గర వెయిట్ చేసి ఆ అబ్బాయిని పిలువ అంటున్నాం. Here definitely we are referring to the particular boy. This is the difference between definite and indefinite. So, definite article we say due to this, because of this point. Understand? So, that's why here A and an. Another example I will give you. I bought an umbrella. Here, see, an indefinite article. I bought an umbrella. Which umbrella you bought? Which particular umbrella you bought? We are not mentioning. Simply we say, I bought an umbrella. Call a boy. Gabbaini biluvu. Oka godugu gonanu. Which particular umbrella you bought? Which boy you had to call? We are not referring. So these are indefinite. Indefinite. So here a and an are called indefinite article because we are not referring which particular umbrella, which particular boy, which particular person, which particular thing we are referring to. That's why these are indefinite article. A and an indefinite article. Here we are referring particular. Call the boy waiting particularly. This is called definite article because, say, we are referring to the particular boy who is waiting at the gate. Now, I think you have understood. You have understood the difference between a and, definite and indefinite. Okay? You should understand this first and then only you can choose correctly definite article. Okay, clear? Now, see here, use of indefinite article. First we discuss use of indefinite article. I told you, say, to discuss these articles, you need vowel sounds, consonant sounds. If you want to discuss a and an, you need vowels and consonant sounds because some vowels give consonant sounds, some consonant sounds give vowel sounds. So that's why you should know those which give consonant sounds, those which give vowel sounds. Okay? So that's why, say, now let us see here, say use of a and an. Use of a and an. Say, use of a and an we discuss. See? Here, use of a and an. Very simply you can understand. Say, use of a and an. That is easier. If you know vowels and consonant sounds, you have to observe word begins with which sound, not word begins with which letter. See, here, use of a. Remember, use of a. See here, indefinite article, indefinite article, a. Use of a. Simply remember, a is used before common nouns. You know common nouns, we discussed it. Common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, kinds of nouns we discussed it. A is used before common nouns of singular number. Singular number. Nouns singular and plural also we discussed it. Singular number beginning with a consonant sound. See? A is used before common nouns of singular number beginning with a consonant sound. How? See here. You observe these examples. A boy. This begins with consonant sound, consonant letter. A girl. A school. A year. Year mundu an year and better. That's wrong. Not year. That is a year ago. A year. And then a yell. Say, a school. How these words, all these words begin with the consonant and the consonant sounds they give. No problem. Whereas here, say, some vowels also give consonant sound. That you have to remember. So, actually, a we have to use that, but we use a in the place of an. See here? Say, how? Like this. A European. It begins with a vowel, but gives consonant sound. Say, a 1 rupee note. Begins with vowel, gives consonant sound. A university student. Give vowel, but gives consonant sound. So, see here, though they begin with vowel letters, they give consonant sound. So, A is used before consonant sounds. Singular number, common nouns. So, it should begin with the consonant sound. That's all. Okay? Clear? Now, let us see use of an. An is used before common nouns of singular number beginning with a vowel sound. vowel sound. Vowel sound. How? Like this. See here? See? See? Here, vowel sound. An orange. An orange. An apple. An apple. An island. An island. See? An enemy. An enemy. See? An idiot. An idiot. An inkstand. An inkstand. See? All these words begin with, see, vowel and gives vowel sound. An orange, an apple, an island, an enemy, an idiot, an inkstand. All these words begin with, say, vowels and give vowel sound. No problem. See, but here H consonant gives vowel sound that becomes silent and gives vowel sound. Then say how? Like this. An hour, not hour, an hour. It gives a sound. An honest man, an honest man, an honorable man, an honorable man. An heir is an heir. H-A-R, heir. An heir is an heir to a large property. Here H becomes silent and gives the vowel sound. That's why we use it here. See, we use it here an. Actually here, see, here A should be used. But it gives a vowel sound. That's why we use it there an. These words begin with the consonant gives vowel sound. Consonants but give vowel sound. That's why here we use it. This is the use of A and an voice. This A, use of A and an. A is used before common nouns of singular number beginning with a consonant sound. An is used before common nouns of singular number beginning with a vowel sound. That's all. That's all. There are exceptions to these. So, this is the use of A and an. This is simple. If you know vowel sounds and consonant sound, you can easily learn. Then, use of definite article the. Use of definite article the. That is difficult. So, here, definite article the, we say, it is used in various contexts.